Good evening everyone. Today we are going to do the daily Leetcode challenge of 7 February 2023, that is question number 904, fruit into baskets. We are visiting a farm that has a single row of fruits arranged from left to right. The trees are represented by an integer array fruits, where fruits I are the type of fruits. We can collect as much as fruit as possible. However, the owner has some strict rules that we must follow. We only have two baskets and one type of basket can hold a single type of fruit, and there is no limit of amount of fruit each basket can hold. Starting from any tree of our choice, we can pick exactly one fruit from every tree, including the starting tree. While moving to the right, we cannot skip or we cannot move back, and the picked fruits must fit in one of your baskets. And once we reach a tree that cannot fit in our baskets, we must stop. So we are given an array of fruits and we have to return maximum number of fruits. So let's move on to the examples. In the first examples, we have two baskets. We have one type of fruit, we pushed it. Another type of fruit, we pushed it. Then one type of fruit, yes. So total answer is 3. That is our answer. In the second case, we have two baskets again. First is 0, then 1. We cannot put third type of fruit. So here answer will be 2. Let's see the another approach. We skip this 0, we start from first tree, we pushed it, then second, then second. In this case, the answer is 3. Maximum of these two is 3. So answer is 3. In the third case, we start with 1. We again have two baskets, 1 and 2. We cannot skip any tree because we can move only to the right. And we cannot push this third fruit, so we will have to start again. So we start from here. In this case, the answer was 2. But now when we start from 2, then we push 3, then we again push 2, then we again push 2. So this time answer is 4. So our answer is 4. So this is what we have to do. We have to store the fruits in two baskets and we have to maximize the number of fruits. So please try to think of an approach and then come back to the video. So I hope you tried doing the question on your own. Now see the video. What we can actually do, we can make a map. Inside the map we will store the value. Here will be the key and here will be the value. What we will do, we will store our fruit. We will push our first fruit and we will make initialize its count. Its value is 1. Then we push second type of fruit, then we will initialize its count. And when there is a third type of fruit, what we have to do? We have to make its count 0 and then erase this map, this key from the map. So we will use erase function to erase the key from the map after making the fruits count to 0. And now we can, before doing this erasal step, we would have pushed the third fruit, because then after we can say that our map size is greater than 2. If it is greater than 2, then only we have to remove the first element, so our baskets remain twice. That is, there are only two baskets. So now we will push the count of it. It's 1. Then we will update the count, then it's 2. Then we will update the count, then it's 3. So final answer is 4. And before that our answer was 2. So we will store our answer as maximum. So how do we actually do it with the help of map? We will use the sliding window approach and we will get two iterators. Let's see how to do that. To do further, what we will do, we have given 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, and this is our map. So inside our map, to store the values, what we will do, we will make the sliding window approach, that is I and j are here. We will be iterating our j and pushing the values. So initially we are at the 0th position and our answer would be I minus j plus 1. Why j plus 1? Because that will give us the count as 1, because we have one element. 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. So that would be our answer. Then we move our j to here. So now our answer would be, it should be j minus I. J minus I. That is 1 minus 0 plus 1. So answer would be 2. So there are two elements because 2 is here. And when the map size is greater than 2, when we push 3, its count would be 1. Yes or no? So our map size is greater than 2. So we will decrease this count to 0 and then erase this. After that we do the same. Our j is here. J is at 0, 1, 2. 2 minus I is also shifted here. We have to shift the window. 2 minus 1 plus 1. So that is 2. So there are 2 as our answer. 2 fruits. Then we move our j to here. Then we update its count. Now 3 is the answer. because j is at 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So there are 3 fruits. And when our j is here, there are 4 elements. So 4 minus 1 plus 1, that is 4 fruits. So our answer would be 4. So that is how you are shifting the window by checking the map size and getting the answer by j minus I plus 1, because that would be your size of window and that would be our answer. This 4 are our answer, not these two. That is what we have to check. Whenever our window is there, we have to fill both the baskets and there is no limit to fruit addition. So let's move on to the code and code this. Let me just zoom it for you. So to code this, as I told you, we will make a map which will store the value and the fruit. And let's name it as map. And we need two variables for our sliding window, and we also need an answer. And let's initialize it with the minimum value possible, that is int min. And we will start our sliding window, that is for I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, j should be less than fruits dot size, which cannot exceed the number of fruits we are provided. Then j plus plus, we are increasing the j one by one. Then we will store our fruits in the map. And now, whenever map size is greater than 2, what we will do? If minus minus map fruits I. What this means is we are decreasing the size of the fruits. We are decreasing its count. If the count of 1 was 3, we are decreasing it to 0. And after that, we are erasing this key. So our answer would remain same. So when we decrease this, when this the count is 0, after that, we will erase it from the key fruits I. Now our answer would not change. And when we are done with erasing, we will update our window and I will move forward. And now what our answer is maximum of answer and j minus I plus 1, as I told you. If you understood this step, that we have to decrement the fruit count then erase it, then you are good to go. We decrease the count first, then move on our window. That's a minus minus map fruits I. And finally, when we are done with this, we will return our answer. So this should work. Let's see, is it working or not? There's a compile error. What is it? Oh, we forget to add j here because we are iterating with j. Now it should work. Yeah, it is running for all the cases. Let's just submit it. So yeah, it is accepted. So the time complexity and space complexity, you guys comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.